thank you for your naira. I thank you for your pound, for your euro. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, this segment is just for the fabulous classic ladies club only. So please, I'm asking everybody to please clear the dance floor. There'll be plenty of time for you to spray your naira. There'll be plenty of time for that. So hold on to your money. Right now, the fabulous classic ladies club only, please. It won't take that long. Everybody else will get back on the floor, but let's get this done. Please. Again, the fabulous classic ladies club. That's right.
Yes. your prayers have been answered. She know me well more, she actually lives it. Obama, who I chain red like this. She go feel like a man, come on, you ready, man. You possess the time to make me wanna sing. Just because she's dancing, go. No, they say you go pick all of my shower. A remix without me would have been wrong. The shower should have originally been my song. She will sweet talk you like a hello. As long as money there, she hello. As soon as money go, now we travel. But the chick will basic cat there, she will break him, money can book man. Then it's fire as a second time to play. She did not bring money like the Niger man. Flow is still practice, and we got a man. She la. I put him out on where this we like. Aki, alcohol.
As you can see, all these women are very fabulous.
Yes.
This club was started last year, conceived, and it's a business club. As you can see, beautiful sisters. FCLC. So it was built this year and established today as the first time that we're coming out in the community. Thank you all for coming. And happy birthday to the secretary of FCLC and Ologbosele.
First, I want to say thank you to my wonderful husband, Cliff. He's the best. Like I always say, the Bible says that he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing and finds favor in the sight of God. So when it comes to Cliff, I turn that around to she that finds a good man finds a good thing. Cliff is my good thing. He is. I couldn't have asked God for a better man. He's a good man, and I love you, I love you, and I love you, honey. My three beautiful, beautiful gift of life, Evade, Osoreme, and Ofure, they are our lives. And we thank God for blessing us with them. I want to say thank you to every one of you. Without you tonight, it would have been nothing. I want to say a special thank you to my older brother's wife that flew all the way from Atlanta, Georgia, May Obidi. It's good when your brother marries your friend. She's my friend, I hooked them up, and she's the best wife ever. Okay? I want to say thank you to Franca, who flew all the way from Nigeria to surprise me. I want to say thank you, Franca. I love you and I appreciate you, my friend. Again, I want to say a big thank you to my brother, my 5 and 6. Oh, here, Pastor George. He's amazing. He's a newlywed. He got married in April of 2012. I just want to say thank you, bro. You flew all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. Every one of you, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like I was telling people, I said, well, it feels good when I ask people, how old are you? They go 20. I go, you're such a baby. It feels good now, because they've been telling me that forever. So I want to say thank you to every one of you that's sitting down here today. I don't have to mention your names. You know who you are. Every one of you sitting down here today have affected my life positively. And I say thank you. Thank you. So please, let's party and party and party. That's what we're here for. Thank you very much, everyone, and I love you all.
Thank you, fabulous lady.